Here it is, 4:36 AM, and we're just about to set off day one of our Euro road trip. Let's go find Lewis.
I like the way you kiss me, I can tell you miss it, I can tell it is. Not trying to be romantic, I'll hit it from the back, just so you don't get attached. I like the way you kiss me, I can tell you miss it, I can tell it is. Not trying to be romantic, I'll hit it from the back, just so you don't get attached.
You bite my lip just for the taste. You're all you need, I'm on the case. You take the heat and with such grace. You say you don't, but here you stay.
You said you're scared I'll let you down. Well, stick around and you'll find out. But don't you wanna make me proud? Cause I'm so proud, baby, I'm so proud of you.
I like the way you kiss me, I can tell you miss me, I can tell it is. Not trying to be romantic, I'll hit it from the back, just so you don't get attached. I like the way you kiss me, I can tell you miss me, I can tell it is. Not trying to be romantic, I'll hit it from the back, just so you don't get attached.
Go stress you out, can I help you out? Cause I turn you on, when I turn you around. Can we make a scene? Can you make it loud? Cause I'm so proud, baby, I'm so proud.
We emerged from the Eurotunnel into France, and our adventure can now actually start. We're going to be heading to Stuttgart, and then from Stuttgart we're going to head down to Bern in Switzerland by the Black Forest and the B500, and then from Bern we're going to head up into the Swiss Alps and do the mountain pass runs. Before any of this can start though, it's time to catch up with Lewis. Decided to make an unplanned stop in Reims. We had some recommendations from friends that had been here before. What we found? We were in total awe.
Facing tempest and dust. Creatures of my dreams raise up and dance with me. Now and forever, I'm your king.
Here we are, day 2 of our road trip. Didn't make it to the Black Forest because someone is not feeling well. So we decided to head straight to Switzerland, forego the Black Forest, but maybe next time. The journey from Stuttgart here has actually been pretty good. Hit a lot of Autobahn on the way, so I think that made up for the Black Forest run that we missed. And now we drive through the mountains until we get to Bern, where we will stay for 2 days, and we'll use our base camp to travel up to the mountains and the pass runs. Super excited. So how are we feeling today, Lewis?
Not great.
Good. Thumbs up. Day 3, welcome to Bern. This has been our base camp in Switzerland. We stayed the night at the Hotel Schweizerhof, right in the city centre. Great location, quite busy. Had to get the cars parked in Valet last night, so we're just waiting for them to arrive now. Got Lewis's here. Mine should be arriving sometime soon. Hopefully it's in one piece. And we're going to head out to Innertkirchen, have a rest there, and then we're going to take the drive up to the passes Stusen or Susten, whatever, Grimsel, and then Ferke Pass, and then back down into Bern. See you on the other side.
Come on, man.
market.
Finished up here, getting ready to go back to Bern. Some footage on the way. Following brings an end to our road trip pretty much. We had a pretty tight time schedule this morning, so we literally left the hotel from Bern 8 AM and blasted pretty much all the way to Calais. It was a good solid 8 hours of driving with a stop in between just to refresh, but we made it on the train. Yeah, pretty sad to be going back home. Good to see the family, but sad that our road trip has ended. Highlights: had the visit to the Reims abandoned F1 racetrack on Friday, which was spectacular. If you're going through France to Germany or to Switzerland, make sure you stop off and do that. That was super cool. Friday night we stayed at the V8 hotel in Stuttgart. Very, very cool place. If you're a petrol head, definitely stay there and go visit the museums in the morning or the day after, whatever. Mercedes Museum was really cool, really cool. Lots of good stuff there. Then we headed to Bern straight from Stuttgart. We didn't get to do the Black Forest, but the drive from Stuttgart to Bern was actually pretty good. Lots of Autobahn on the way, which was really fun. Yeah, had a good blast down there. We got to experience it when it wasn't too busy as well, so that was good. And then driving into Bern, it's very scenic on the way in. And obviously Sunday, the drive from Bern to Innertkirchen, around the lakes, and then from Innertkirchen up to the passes. The passes are unbelievable. I literally cannot describe. Hopefully the footage in this video gives you an idea of what it's like, but honestly, if it's something you're planning to do, don't hesitate, definitely get and do it. Just super good driving, and that was a bit more of a chilled day. I think we only did about 3 hours driving, which was probably enough, but it was pretty knackering because it's quite full on. Yeah, it's a super amazing trip. I hope you like this video, and hope to see you again on another trip soon.